What's up, guys? We are going to go over how to change your door handles.
So I know a lot of you guys have probably had this happen to you on your 350Z because for some reason Nissan decided to make as part of the door handle plastic, this section right here. I mean, you might have just opened it one day and like opened it and it's all of a sudden like gave way and it wouldn't open your door anymore. And the reason why most of the time is because this piece right here, snapped off and it's plastic. The rest of it's metal, but no, that part's plastic. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take the door handles off.
It's pretty simple to do. It's only 2 bolts holding it in, but I'll show you real quick on how to do it on both sides, the driver's side and the passenger side. Passenger side is way easier. So
Our first thing first is to access the 2 bolts that are holding in. They're behind here, these rubber stoppers. Just take them out. There's one, and there's 2. Alright, with that out, you should be able to just pop it out. There. There you go. Comes right out. Now, what's important when you're putting this back in, if you see that blue section, let me see if I can point it out. This blue right here. There's a blue like tunnel looking thing or whatever. Well, the end of this must slot into it. That's how the door functions. So when putting it back in, make sure you guide it in there. Once you get it in there, make sure you get that section into the door frame in between it. Sorry, it's kind of hard to film and do this at the same time. So yeah, this is the passenger side, and just put the bolts back in and you're good to go. And same side, just pull those rubbers gasket things out. I think they're called that. Either way, I don't know what they're called, but remove these and take those bolts out. So once that's out, again, you just gotta give it a little play, get it out. This one's gonna probably be a little bit more difficult to get out just because of the lock mechanism. Which, as you can see, I'm having a problem just getting it out. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. There it goes. Get it wiggled out. All you need to do is take the bolt at the bottom right there, which is the lock, and that whole lock assembly will just come out. It will just come right off, and then you just replace the door handle part itself and then repeat the step to put it back together.
anyways, guys, that's how you just take out the door handles to replace them. Just realize the driver's side is a little harder to get the door handle back in, just because you got to finagle that rod into the blue section. And since the lock is there, it's not as easily to line it up to put it in there. Anyways, I hope this helps anyone trying to replace their door handles. And yeah, anyways, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.